Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and welcome back to day 22. I have to keep looking down at my computer because I can't believe we're already on day 22, right? I mean, we are just flying through March. Yesterday, I believe, was the first day of spring, March 21st. It's a day I always look forward to. But we are not out of cold and flu season quite yet. And that's where this little guy comes in kind of handy. So this is the sheep tissue box cover, and I think it's adorable. Now, there's a gajillion different tissue box cover patterns out there, but I love this one. I love the long legs, how they're just kind of hanging and dangling over this side of this dresser. I love the puff stitch that it uses around the body, and of course the face is so cute. I just love the are they called black face sheep or black nosed? I think it's black face sheep, and I just think they're so precious. I love those little guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this pattern, and so I can tell you a little bit more about it. So this is a lovescraft.com pattern. I do enjoy Lovecrafts a lot. I actually really like using their app. Their app is really good. There's a couple things I would tweak about it, but really it's got a great row counter on it. And all right, well, I'm not going to talk about the app too much. If you want to learn more about the app, you can check out my video, because I did do a video review on the app. So I won't talk about that in this video. We're going back to Mr. Sheep. So the sheep tissue box cover, it is a pattern written by Allison Holloway from Crochet Designs. It is downloadable PDF for $4.70. And it's just cute. There's not much more to say. It looks like it does come in a square shape or a rounded shape. So I'm not really sure I've ever seen round shaped tissue boxes. That doesn't mean they're not out there though. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just going to scroll down to see if I can find out what she rates it for difficulty level. Okay, so she rates this as a beginner to intermediate level due to lots of bobble stitches and joining. So that's something to keep in mind. It's good to have some amigurumi style crochet skills, and maybe the magic ring. Again, if you want to learn how to make the easiest magic ring ever, I've got a video for that too. It looks like you're just gonna need a 5mm and a 4mm crochet hook, both sizes, and some cotton yarn. So cute. And of course you're going to need the yarn in two colors. You're going to need it in black and in the off-white color, unless you want to make your sheep a different color. Maybe you want to make it a pink sheep or a purple sheep or a green sheep, whatever color you want. Okay, everybody, please let me know what you're thinking of this series down in the comments below. Is this the kind of content that you like? Do you enjoy these quick informational videos as opposed to the longer ones? I know for me, I don't have a ton of time in my day, so I thought this would be a great way to get your little crochet fix in a little amount of time. Also, if you're interested in any of these patterns at all, go ahead and click in that description box. There is a link. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board, and from there you can just pick the picture of the object you want to make and click on it, and it's going to take you right to the pattern. So there's no ads, no jumping around scrolling for 5 minutes looking for the item that you want in someone's blog. This is going to take you right where you need to go. All right, everybody, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're enjoying your second official day of spring. And until tomorrow, have a great day. Bye-bye.